going well. It's been lovely weather in Melbourne lately, so I hope you've been enjoying it if you're based in Melbourne as well. And if you're new here or if you're from elsewhere, welcome to my channel, Belly Dancer Diaries. I've got lots of tutorials on technique of belly dancing, as well as discussions about my life as a belly dancer. So please subscribe if you like what you see, and then you'll be notified of when new videos are released. So we have a very fun combination for you today. I've been doing quite a few combinations lately, especially those that work with flow. So once you move from a very beginner level of belly dancing, it's lovely to then be able to bring moves together into a choreography, but also into little combinations that you can pull out that really flow together. So this one is one of those. Okay, what are we doing? I'll show you the combination first, and then I will break it down for you. So nice and relaxed. So I hope you like this one. I'll show you again just so you can watch. We start with our sweep. You can do a couple of sweeps here. We then come into our circle, and then we step into our undulation. So it's three basic moves. Our sweep, our big hip circle, and our undulation, with some arms in there as well. So if you haven't learned those moves individually, I will link them below, check them out first. So remember, with our sweep, we're keeping our hand anchored, we're starting at the back, and then bringing that foot all the way around. So we're moving our foot, we're moving our hip, keeping the arm nice and strong all the way around. So as we finish our final sweep, so as I said, I did 3 when I was doing this one, but you can do 1, you can do 2, it's up to you. From here, as we come to the front, we're opening up, we follow that line of the foot, and then follow with our hips to come into a big circle. So remember with your big circles that your body is not circling all the way, all it's doing is leaning forward as you bring your hips back, and leaning back as you bring your hips forward. So this one here, again I'll link it below so that you can watch it in more detail. So from here, the sweep, coming into the big circle. From here, we finish our big circle very sneakily as we're bringing the hips back to the side. We sneak that other foot in, and then come into the front undulation. So really getting that flow together. Sweep into circle, keeping going with the hips, and then finish it off with your undulation. So arms for this one, you've noticed that I'm putting one hand to my temple, the other one out. I think that looks really beautiful to do with this move, but if you have other arm movements that you like with this combination, it would be great to hear your thoughts. With the sweep, I'm always tending to do this. I just find it helps me to balance with the arms, and also to keep that focus. So from here, my arms are coming around, I'm stepping into the circle, I'm bringing it across, over, and in. Otherwise, you can, from here, bring it around, all the way over, straight to the hip, and in. So please give this video a thumbs up. I hope you like this move, this combination. Let me know what you think in the comments. It'd be great to see videos of you doing it as well. I've been using it in choreographies a lot lately, not just the recent choreography I'm doing in class, but in my other class as well. And I find it's beautiful because one move just flows into another, and it's all based in our hips, which is of course the essence of belly dancing.